How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to grow taller at any age, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So the main thing for growing taller is actually how much you sleep at night. 95% of height growth occurs when you are sleeping. So if you are not getting enough sleep, that is literally destroying your gains. They said studies have shown average person gets 5 to 6 hours of sleep per night. If you want to grow taller, you should aim for 9 to 10 hours of sleep per night. So as you can see, the difference is literally almost double. So someone sleeping 5 hours, they then sleep 10 hours, not only are you going to feel 10 times better, your energy levels are going to skyrocket. I used to sleep 7 hours per night. I always feel tired during the day. Energy levels were low. I started sleeping 9.5 hours per night. When I wake up in the morning, I am 100% fresh. My energy levels are skyrocketed throughout the day, and I have gotten taller by sleeping more. The next thing is vitamin D. Vitamin D has a huge impact on growing taller, and 97% of people do not get enough vitamin D. They might get some vitamin D, but they don't get the proper amount of vitamin D. That has a lot to do with office jobs. Now you spend all day inside the office, then you go home, it's already dark out, so you did not get the proper amount of sunlight during the day. A lot of doctors actually recommend vitamin D supplements. I take a vitamin D supplement. You can talk to your doctor about that, but it just makes sure that every single day I get 100% of the proper amount of vitamin D that I'm supposed to get for the day. So that works really, really well, you guys. So sleep, vitamin D, the most important. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.